Cabin crew seats for takeoff now, please. Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again a very warm welcome on behalf of the entire crew on this Virgin Atlantic flight VS401 bound for London's Heathrow Airport. You've already heard from our Captain Carl up on the flight deck with Senior First Officer Jazz. My name's Claire and I'm the Flight Service Manager on today's service. I've got a really superb team of cabin crew working alongside me and they're led by our two cabin service supervisors. Charlotte is in charge of services from the front of the aircraft and Paul will be running services from the back of the aircraft. There are a few safety reminders we need to let you know about before we settle down for the flight. As the fasten seatbelt signs are still on, we do ask you to keep your seatbelt fastened just for now. Your seatbelt will help to keep you safe if we encounter any turbulence, so you should always keep it fastened whenever you're in your seat. If turbulence is expected or does occur, the captain will turn on the fasten seatbelt signs. If the seatbelt signs come on at any point during the flight, please be aware that the toilets will be strictly out of use and we do need you to return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. The cabin crew will come through to check that these seatbelts are fastened, so to save us disturbing you, when we check your belt, please make sure if you're using a blanket or a duvet, you fasten it clearly over the top. If you're travelling with a baby and using a bassinet or sky cot, you'll need to secure your baby back into your lap during turbulence, just as you have for takeoff. Or if you're travelling in premium economy or economy and your baby's using one of the cradles, make sure that the body harness is fastened around them at all times. Smoking, which does include electronic and smokeless cigarettes, isn't allowed whilst you're on board, and some electronic equipment may interfere with the aircraft systems. We've provided details of these on the back of your safety card. If you're using a laptop today, please make sure the Wi-Fi remains switched off at all times, and any tablets and mobile phones remain in flight mode. When connecting your electronic equipment to our NC power supply, please don't leave it connected unless you're actively using it, just in case it overheats, and also don't connect any item that produces any direct heat to our power supply. Our Travel Health programme provides more information on in-seat exercises and how to stay comfortable during the flight, and if there's anything else we can do, then please don't hesitate to speak to any member of our cabin crew. As we said earlier, the flight today is expected to take approximately 7 hours and 7 minutes, and the local time in the UK is 28 minutes past 8 in the morning. Once again, very warm welcome on board.